What is up, you guys? We're back with another video. Today I'm gonna be installing something that I bought for this GTR. Let's go ahead and unbox it really quick and see how it looks. So I gotta remove all these little tabs or whatever on each corner and just slides right off. All right, there it is, ladies and gents. Liberty Walk carbon fiber hood for the GTR. I gotta take this off right here. They already come matched and pre-drilled. I gotta take these two off. So I just gotta take off those two and those two. And hopefully, cross our fingers, we don't have any fitment issues, nothing like that. So let's get to it. All right, so I got this off. Now I gotta get these two real quick. All right, so after you get these off, obviously, I'm gonna need someone else to help me hold one side, take off two. These two should be, I believe, 10 or 12. So once you take those two off, you literally just push up on the hood. So I'll pick it up here in a bit. All right, so we got it on real quick. I had my girl help me out because this shit's kind of hard by yourself. So I need to line up some bolts real quick. I also have to put these on, put this on. Sheesh! I'm fucking happy as fuck. Look at this, bro. And just like that, we are done. So I did come across some issues. I got to do some minor adjustments. Got a small gap right here. You can't really tell. I think it's because of my bumper sag. I even tried. There's a bracket behind it. I kind of loosened it up to lift up the bumper, kind of tighten it. Still somehow kind of loose. Or sorry, not loose. Still somehow kind of, not the best fit right here. It's like a small, tiny gap, but I'll figure it out. But I'm just glad that it fits. Everything looks good. So it's already ceramic coated. I just got to get it PPF'd, and that's it. It looks, honestly, looking at pictures before I bought this hood, I was like, I wasn't sure how it's going to turn out, but I love it. It's just so sick. I just need to get this carbon piece, some other little carbon accents, and I think we're solid on this car as far as the aesthetics. And obviously some wheels, but I got this for such a good price. I just couldn't say no. Like, I would be dumb to say no to the price I got this for. Thanks to my boy for hooking me up with that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Leave a comment, subscribe, share the video, like, etc. Do whatever you want to do. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.